gonna talk about how to use toolkit. If you want to use this toolkit for frame tool as a frame tools for your Facebook digital marketing. Already we have discussed about this session invitation tool. If you want to watch how to use invitation tool, please visit my channel and watch this video. Okay, now just I would like to start how to use this one. At first I will show you that how you can click all visible like buttons in your page. This is my page, so
let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like giving. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? And what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? And what you gonna do
on left side, or sorry, right side, then you'll see this one, people you may know. And if you'd like to add lots of friends at the same time within one click, then click on see all. And okay, it's a request. Which one? Add as a friend. If you just want to like to add all of your friends, if you want to add lots of friends within few days, then we'll do it also. So I'm just going to show you that and how you can do it. My time is 2. If you would like to enable auto scroll down, then you can click on here. Okay, now I'm just going to click on click on algorithm 1. If it doesn't work, then we can go for another option. Okay, now I'm just going to click on start clicking algorithm. It's already done, it's already working. You know that it's scrolled down automatically because I don't move my mouse cursor. It's doing automatically. Now I just want to stop this. Click on close button. Okay, now we are going to talk about another tool, another frame tool, what is called click all fork and fork back button. So if you want to see how many people already give you the fork, so just click on here and you will see lots of people fork you. So you can fork back by doing this one. So I just want like to do it again. Just click on start clicking. Already fork button click. This one is automatically working. So this one, now I'm going to use another one. This tool is another frame tool. Accept or reject all of your friends. I click on here. If you'd like to reject all of your friends, I just would like to reject all of them. So then you can click on here. I'm just going to click on reject all. Reject all. It's working. Because if you would like to do it manually, you have to wait for many more times. So we'll do it automatically because you know that already I have 20, 30, 300 plus friends requests already pending. So I just want to receive the all requests because I don't want to have in my friendly lists, because already I have about 5,000, so there is no way to add them. So that's why I'm going to do it. Many more people have to do it automatically because they don't have lots of time to maintain this kinds of tasks. So that's why you can use this tool. Okay, we are gonna talk about in others video, third video, messaging tools. Thanks for watching.